Hi guys, this is another Thai noodle dito sa Thailand, which is they call it pad see ew. Ayan siya guys. Medyo malaki yung noodles niya guys. Pad see ew. May vegetable din siya guys. So hinaluan din siya ng itlog at saka may sahog na chicken. Pad see ew ang tawag dito guys, dito sa Thailand. Try nyo to guys pag nandito kayo sa Thailand. Pad see ew noodle, Thai noodle. Sobrang sarap.